Welcome to Speedy Shine Car Wash. We're going to show you how to use our auto pay terminal today. When you pull in here, you want to reach out your window and press Buy Wash. It will give you a choice of our 3 quality packages. Press the one you would like. It's going to ask you if you would like to add any additional options like our Rain-X protectant. You want to take a look at here in the corner and see if that's exactly what you want. If not, you can press the cancel button and do it all over again. At this point, you just need to put bills in our bill validator, or you can swipe your credit card here. Next, we'll take you down the tunnel and show you how to safely load and go through Speedy Shine. Once the gate goes up, you want to follow the cars in front of you. And then you'll wait at the entrance to the tunnel until the attendant motions you to enter. We're going to pull in, and we want to make sure our left tire enters the track here, so the attendant will tell you if he needs you to turn right or left. When the attendant motions you to stop, please do so. You want to put your car in neutral. You want to leave your foot off the brake. And you want to leave your hands off the wheel the entire way through. Proceeding through the wash, we start with our triple foam conditioner, which works as an excellent soap. Followed by our side brushes. Notice we use a lot of water and soap to lubricate your car. Don't ever worry about our cloth damaging the finish of your vehicle. It's extremely light touch and very well lubricated. Following cleaning the sides and back of your vehicle, we use a high pressure wash to blast off any stubborn dirt. Next, we apply an underbody wash and a rust protectant, a sealer wax, and Rain-X, which is a very fine exterior protectant. Lastly, we put a tire shine on the wheel, which provides an Armor All length finish. Finally, we use a 45 horsepower dryer to blow off the majority of water off your car. While your car won't emerge completely dry, we use a spot-free rinse, so the majority of water will dry within 5 to 10 minutes, and it shouldn't leave spots on your vehicle. If you would like it completely dry, you can always pull into our vacuum and detail area and dry your car by hand. By far, our favorite customer feature in Speedy Shine is our free vacuum system. After you're done washing your car, pull into one of our 20 vacuum spaces. You just want to reach up, pull the hose straight out of the holder. You can vacuum as long as you like at no additional charge. While you're parked, you also have the opportunity to do some additional detailing to your car if you like. We offer a wide variety of products here, from chamois to towels, Armor All pads to clean the inside of your car, as well as air fresheners. It's up to you how much you'd like to do. While you're cleaning out your car, if you have plastic bottles, cans, or paper inside, feel free to put it in our green recycling bins provided by Best Way Disposal. Are you tired of paying 50 or even 75 cents for an underpowered compressor at the gas station? At Speedy Shine, we offer free air to top your tires off. The air hose is located on the last vacuum column right before the exits. At Speedy Shine, if you are ever not satisfied with the quality of your wash, just let an attendant know before you leave the site and we will make it right. for visiting Speedy Shine. We appreciate your business.